Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study Viroids and Prions. My name is Atisham and I am going to be a future physiotherapist. I'm studying physiotherapy from Ziauddin University, and let's get to the topic. Viroids and Prions are tiny little bad boys of animals and plants and various organisms. These bad boys are just made up of proteins and very simple, more smaller than viruses, but they are also as dangerous as viruses. Smallest enemy of organisms, as I told you, tiny little bad boys, viroids. Viroids are simple. They are very simple structure and smaller enemy than viruses, and they are molecules of circular RNA. So they are shaped as circular and they just have an RNA, nothing more than that. They don't have a tailpiece, they don't have a sheath, they don't have a neck, they do not have anything else except one RNA surrounded by a circular body as shown in this picture. Somehow they disturb the mechanism of cells and stop the growth of whole plant. Actually, the working of viroids and prions are not properly discovered yet. This is why we do not exactly know the physiology of the viroids and prions, but we have some hypothesis that they have a DNA and that DNA enters the host cells, and when they enter the host cell and they make changes in the DNA of the host cell and start making changes, due to which the growth of plant is stopped, and that's how all the mechanism of plant is disturbed, and due to which there are many complications which occur in a plant due to viroids. Now we have prions. Prions are another name for another tiny little bastard, I mean bad boy, which appear to cause a number of degenerative brain diseases, including scrapie in sheep and the mad cow disease. Now these RNA, small RNA, causes misfunction in the brain cells. So how does they do that? There is a hypothesis which says that prions are the misfolded form, another, or maybe in simpler words I can tell you, I can explain it to you as an abnormal form of protein. So the protein found inside the brain cell or the nerve cells, the proteins found in the nerve cells are abnormal proteins of the proteins found in the nerve cell. Hopefully you got my point. So the prions are the misfolded form of proteins present in brain cells. When it reaches to our normal DNA, it uh, we can say it triggers a reaction and convert that normal DNA into prion form of DNA, and that's how it keeps doing it and convert all the brain cell protein into prion shaped protein, due to which there are various and complication found in animals such as mad cow disease and scrapie in sheep. These are due to prions, not viruses. Prions are and other what are prions? These are the small RNA which are we can say predators, as they take help from the host cell. Animal diseases. Now we will be discussing some animal and plant diseases which are caused by viruses. This is another topic which was inside our textbook, so it was in paragraphs, so I opened it and just made it simple for you and made a chart in which we have, at one side we have diseases and at the other side we have viruses. So first we will see diseases. Poliomyelitis, I'm sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. Poliomyelitis, polioviruses caused by polioviruses. After that, we have colds, which is a respiratory tract disorder caused by rhinoviruses. Encephalitis, dengue, yellow fever. These are the three diseases or disorders or problems caused by arboviruses. Now, arboviruses is not just name of one virus. It is an these are the name of multiple viruses or a group of viruses. AIDS caused by HIV viruses, rabies caused by rhabdoviruses, measles and mumps are caused by paramyxoviruses. Plant diseases caused by some viruses. Most commonly known as known virus is tobacco mosaic virus, and plant viruses are going to stop their growth and they destroy the crop. That's how viruses are going to affect a plant. Plant can be infected through its environment, as well as inherited disease are also found in plants. So the plant can be infected through the environment, just like I'm sitting over here right now. Any virus come over me and enters through my mouth or through my nose, in the air, and that's how I get that virus or prion, not prion, the virus from the air. Likewise, I may have some genetic problems or genetic deformity, which we call inherited disease. Inherited disease is, for example, asthma. It comes from your parents to the daughter. Likewise, plant when a plant gives off a seed, if that seed is from a parent who is infected with a disease, then the daughter is also daughter, or the uh, son or offspring is also going to, because plant do not have gender, that's why I had to use offspring, which is the right word for them. So the offspring plant is also going to have what? It is also going to be infected by a disease. So this is almost our lecture. The name of the viruses with respect to their diseases is very important. Learn them for your MCQ, because they are going to be asked in your exam paper. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. I have so many viewers watching my video, but people who push that red subscribe button are very few. So I have around 230, 200 subscribers, while I have more than 10,000 viewers. So really, I would I would really appreciate if you guys push that red button, and if you can, if also push that bell icon, so that you can always get an update from my upcoming videos and keep studying. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.